Introducing the AOOSTAR Gem12 Pro, the ultimate mini gaming PC. For those who don't want to compromise on performance while saving space, this compact powerhouse is making waves in China, thanks to its impressive features tailored for gamers. At its core, the Gem12 Pro boasts a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 8 for fingerprint processor, ensuring top-notch performance for all your gaming needs. With up to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, it's equipped to handle the most demanding games and software with ease. But what really sets the Gem12 Pro apart are its unique additions: a built-in screen and a fingerprint scanner. The screen allows for displaying system info or personal photos, adding a personal touch to your gaming setup, while the fingerprint scanner offers a secure and convenient way to log in. Plus, with the inclusion of an Oculink port, gamers have the option to connect to an external graphics dock, boosting gaming performance even further. The Gem12 Pro also features a variety of ports for connecting devices and displays, and is cooled by AOOSTAR's innovative Glacier 3.0 cooling system, keeping it running smoothly under pressure. Priced at approximately $347 for the base model in China, it's an attractive option for gamers looking for a compact yet powerful solution. While currently available only in China, AOOSTAR's track record suggests a global release may be on the horizon. Stay tuned for a gaming revolution with the Gem12 Pro.